Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Auto Battery Saver on your phone. If your battery drains quickly, this setting can help save battery automatically and improve battery life. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on System. Then click on Power and Battery. Now tap on Energy Saver. Here, if you want Battery Saver to stay enabled all the time, simply toggle on Always Use Energy Saver. If you want it to turn on automatically, select the battery percentage at which you want Energy Saver to activate. For example, you can set it to turn on automatically at 20% battery. Also make sure to enable the option called Lower Brightness when using Energy Saver. This helps reduce battery usage and makes your phone last longer. Now your phone will automatically save battery based on your settings. So this is how you can turn on Auto Battery Saver on your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.